of like taking historic service and maintenance and bringing it to the 21st century, applying all of the data that we get behind the scenes, making it digestible for them so they can take actionable insights into repairing the equipment, being proactive.
As people repair machines that go down, we can start to develop analytics, and we are developing those analytics around certain make, model, years of machines and what some of the really common causes of those are. So if your shop down in Lynn Creek, Missouri has a new asset that you've never seen before go down, instead of your mechanic sitting there for 2 hours trying to debug what in the world went wrong, they might just be able to pull up in the similar issues tab under the work orders what similar issues have happened with that exact machine before, and get down to the heart of the problem more quickly, get that asset back up and running more quickly, and get that utilization back going.
Building an actual knowledge base of
Yeah.
issues.
It's like the Wikipedia of equipment.
Yeah, exactly.
Service departments can be like a circus at times, you know, depending on what kind of servicing you're doing outside service, running a rental company like we are, if you're a construction company who does your own service, depending on the flow of these assets, what they're doing, how much they're moving through your yard, it could be an absolute circus out there. And when you're dealing with paper, the efficiency just drops to the floor. What those people in the service department need is the ability to have clear and concise goals that they need to get done in order, and have visibility across everything that's down, everything that needs to be fixed, and all of the issues they're having with their fleet, so that they can make the best decisions about what the next thing to do is. I mean, this bleeds over even into parts and everything else. Giving the visibility on those things is just absolutely vital to having an efficient shop. And it's really not even about labor cost savings at the end of the day. It's more just about peace of mind and less headaches. I mean, imagine being in the middle of a shop where you've got 17 down pieces of equipment in the shop at once and tons more out in the yard, and you've got a 4-man team. It's going to be excruciating to try to work your way through that when each day there's more and more and more assets coming in that need to be serviced. So any increase in the ability for you to work through those efficiently is just, it pays itself in dividends.